enough. I am determined to use my voice to turn this unfortunate incident into a catalyst for change. Frascatore, the undercover officer, has 2 pending excessive force lawsuits filed against him. He's on modified duty. Now, the 59 seconds of video for everyone to see, a critical element in this case. For today, Rahima Ellis, NBC News, New York.
That could not have happened to Lisa.
So I've heard.
Classic.
Like a lovely
Classic. Now to a pretty amazing rescue story. A woman will now cling to life after driving off the side of a mountain. She was alone in her car for 2 days before some hikers found her. NBC's Jacob Rascon has more on just how she managed to survive.
The majestic scenery deep in the Utah mountains concealed a desperate struggle. Several hundred feet down a cliff, in dense brush and trees, a mangled car sat undisturbed for 2 days. 29-year-old Heather Blackwelder was inside.
The first thought that came to my mind was, let her be in pieces, like in one piece, which she was.
Spencer Dryden and his girlfriend Cleo Jackson were taking pictures of the scenery when they heard screaming.
I was astonished at that point, to the point where I was like, whoa, how have you been here for 2 days?
Heather was